Okay guys, so today I want to show you how to create this viral flash effect. It's easier than you think, so let's get into it. Alright, so I have 6 videos in the timeline. So first thing we need to do is rotoscope the subject from each clip. Click on the Object Mask tool, select your subject and make sure to drag the mask under the opacity. Then drag the mask forward, increase feather slightly to something like 5 and decrease expansion to -1. This just helps smooth out the edges so the rotoscope doesn't look too harsh. Okay, so now you need a clear background. So what I did was I took a screenshot of the scene, went into Canva and removed the subject from the background. You need Canva Premium to have that option, but I'm sure you can also do this in Photoshop or any other tool that has background removal. So whatever works for you. Drag the background image below the videos. Then as each clip, I always nest them when I have Object Mask tool applied, so it doesn't overlap with the effects. Sometimes it can get messy, so I just like to nest them and then apply effects. Okay, so we are going to start off with the clear background showing. Move your clips to the side just for a second, then move 5 frames from the start and drag the first clip in. Cut the first frame. Now go to Lumetri Color and drag the curves up like this. We are basically increasing the exposure to make it flash white. If you still see some lines or it's not completely white, apply tint effect and change the color to white. Alright, then apply Edge Glow. I'm not going to change the settings on this one, but if you want to play with it, please do, tweak it and see what looks good to you. I'm happy with this. Move 7 frames and trim the clip there. Now I'll drag the second clip and basically repeat the same process. So cut the first frame, copy and paste Lumetri Color, Tint and Glow. Then this time move 10 frames and trim the second clip. So we are switching. One is 7 frames, the other one is 10 and so on. This keeps the rhythm interesting instead of everything being the same length. And you're going to do that for the rest of the clips. And now here's a small detail that makes a big difference. Leave 1 frame space between each clip, so the background shows through for just 1 frame in between. That little flash of the empty background adds so much to the effect. And yeah, you can leave it like this, it already looks really good, but if you want to add even more to it, let me show you something. Extend the background and now duplicate the clips from the end. So we'll start with this one, move 2 frames and trim it. Then drag the next one, again trim it to 2 frames. So now we have that 1 frame with the flash effects and then 2 frames without. It creates that fast flow and it looks so good, honestly. But let me just remove the main shot at the very end. So basically what's happening now is we show the subject in these flash clips first. So we are building up energy and then we finish it off with the subject being in front of the camera in the final shot. Yeah, I like this approach way better. Okay, so before you go, I just want to share something with you real quick. If you're watching this tutorial, you obviously care about getting better at editing, and I love that. But if your Instagram isn't growing, it's really hard to get clients or opportunities from that. Instagram is where people are finding editors, it's where brands are looking. It's basically your portfolio that works for you 24/7. So that's exactly why I created Logged In. Inside, I share full tutorials like this one, but with a project file attached to every single one. So you can just open it up and see how I set everything up. Also, I always like to turn them into templates, so if you're on a deadline, you can just replace your videos and be done with it. I also do editing breakdowns from viral edits, so you can study what's actually working right now and apply it to your own content. And then I share Instagram growth strategies specifically for editors. What's working, what's not, how to actually grow and get discovered. It's basically everything I wish I had when I was starting out. And I'm in there with you answering questions, giving you feedback on your work, and we also have one-to-one private chat where you can just message me if you need any help. So if that sounds like something that would help you, links in the description. I would love to see you in the community. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.